Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm gonna show you a really awesome strategy with which you can make a ton of money on ClickBank. This is going to be really interesting. So watch this video till the end. This is going to be absolutely great method for anyone who wants to make money doing affiliate marketing on internet. So watch this video till the end, and if you are not going to take action, if you are just going to watch this video for entertainment purposes, then just skip the video, because if you are not going to take any action, then you are not going to earn any money. This is the bitter truth which you need to understand if you are in the field of affiliate marketing or online business. So first of all, you have to go to this website which is known as freeplrdownloads.com. Okay, and in this website you can find various books of various categories, ebooks, okay, which you can download, you can edit them, you can sell them, or do any stuff, whatever you want to do with those books. You don't get any of the copyright. Okay, so this is the something which is great about this website. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to just search for a book which is related to the niche of law of attraction. Okay, so I have just already searched the book. So here is the niche, and when you click, then you can find all this book which are related to law of attraction. So this is the book which we have selected, okay, for this method, and this is the book which we are going to use. In the end of the video, I'm going to show you traffic methods with which you can send traffic in this method. Okay, so don't worry about the traffic, just watch this video each and every second with your full attention so that you can understand. And I also want to tell you that by pressing the like button, you may get 5 years of good luck. Okay, so that's why it is very necessary to press the like button, and with that good luck you will be earning your affiliate commissions really very fast, and really big affiliate commissions will be flowing into your bank account. So just press the like button and don't forget. Okay, so this is the book, okay, which we have already downloaded. Now we have already downloaded this book, and we have just downloaded, and it is available in the PDF format. Okay, so this is the software known as WPS Office. Okay, with this software you can edit all those stuff. Okay, you can edit any of the PDF files, and you can see that I have already opened this over here in this. Okay, now what we are going to do is, let me just show you what we are going to do. We are going to go to ClickBank, okay, and we are going to find some products which are related to law of attraction. So when you go to marketplace and they go to the category spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs, you can find this one awesome product which is available, which is manifestation magic. Okay, now what we are going to do is click this promote button and get affiliate link of this product. Okay, and now what we are going to do is really some interesting stuff, so just pay close attention. Okay, once you get the affiliate product, now what you are going to go to this website which is bit.ly, and just shorten the URL of that product. Okay, I have already just got my affiliate link and shortened it over here over on bit.ly, and I have just copied this link. So this is done. So first step is over. Boom. So first step towards making money online of yours is completed. Now you have got the book. Okay, now what you have to do is open this book in any of the editor. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are going to edit this book. Okay, so this is the book, and let's see what are the contents of this book. So these are some of the contents of this book. Now what you have to do is just click here on the edit text. Okay, whichever software you are using, you can do this stuff. Now just do this and just click a right click, just write down something. Okay, now manifest all you desire. Okay, and now what you have to do is just provide your affiliate link over here. Copy. Okay, Control V, paste. So here's our affiliate link. Okay, and it is placed in this PDF. Now what you have to do is, maybe it is a bit aside, and let's take it over here. Now what you have to do is copy this whole. Okay, just when you copy this whole, let me place it to the right place again. Okay, so yes, we have placed it to this place again. Now what you have to do is copy this and just paste it over here. Then copy this again and paste it over here. Okay, then again copy it, paste it over here with the affiliate link. Okay, and do this on every single page. Okay, now after doing that, all you need to do is save this book. Okay, as you have provided your affiliate link in the entire book on every end of every single page. After that, what you have to do is save this book as PDF. Okay, so once you save this book, the thing is done. And if you don't have this WPS Office, it's okay, you can also do this in Microsoft Word. Okay, or whatever software, PDF editing software you have. Okay, you can just do this process. It's really easy. Or just go to Google and search for PDF editing software, and you can find many of the free ones over there. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so just our book is ready. Now what you have to do is, you have to go to this website which is known as fileupload.com, and what you have to do is upload this file. Okay, whichever the file which you have edited and then saved, now you have to upload that file to this website. Okay, which is known as fileupload, okay, .org, and you will get a shareable link. Okay, just like Google Drive, this is a website from where you can share, okay, your links. Okay, and whenever someone downloads something from this website, you get some money. Okay, so you are also earning money when someone is downloading your ebook. So this is also something which is really beneficial to you. Okay, and you can earn up to $7 per 1000 downloads. So this is something which is really helpful. That's the reason why I am not using Google Drive, and I am recommending you this fileupload.com. Okay, so just upload your file over here and you will get a shareable link. Okay, now what you have to do is go to Facebook and just search for this law of attraction groups. Like I have opened these groups, and what you have to do is upload just the image like this and just write in the description that here's a free book about law of attraction, you can download it here. Download law of attraction free ebook over here and upload this type of image. Why image? Because image is something which will attract the attention of most of the viewers. So it is really beneficial to have an image about law of attraction. You can use any of this image or download any of the image. Just go to Instagram and you will find a ton of images over there, and you can upload those images over here in these groups. And also you can just write it down that if you here is a great book about law of attraction which is absolutely for free, you can download it over here. So this is the way in which you are going to post in Facebook groups. And the another method with which you are going to post this is through Pinterest. Okay, all you need to do is go to Pinterest and just create a graphic just like this. Okay, you can create this type of graphics using a tool which is known as Canva. Okay, and just provide the link of your product, okay, of this file upload shareable link, and just upload that pin to your Pinterest account. And so you are going to get traffic from Facebook as well as from Pinterest. So you can just give away this book absolutely for free on Facebook, Pinterest, as well as you can also apply this method on Instagram just by giving away this free ebook. And this free ebook contains your affiliate link. So this free ebook acts as a landing page. Just understand the stuff that we are not creating a landing page, but this ebook acts as our landing page, and we are also providing a ton of value to customers by giving them a free ebook, and then we are recommending a great product to them. And due to this fact that we are having something as a pre-sale, something as a bridge between customer and us, so there is a great chance for us to make money with this method. Okay, so this is something really a great opportunity for you which you can start applying, because this is not saturated at all. No one, very less people are doing this stuff, so you can definitely make some great amount of money. There is no need to do any paid traffic for this method. You can do this absolutely for free. So this is something really simple and everyone can do it. Okay, so if you like this video, just press the like button. If you got some big value from this video, you can also share this video with other people, and also press the subscribe button and just click all notifications, so you will get notified every time I upload this kind of awesome videos on this channel. And if you are interested in make money online, affiliate marketing, online business, I definitely recommend that you should also check out all these other videos on my channel. They also provide you a ton of value on how to make money online, affiliate marketing and online business. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.